Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh, Lord, ooh, Lord. Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday.
Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wendy and I am back with another tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be on head wraps. I'm going to teach you what to do on your bad hair days. Okay, I know we all have bad hair days. There are some days when our wigs are not really working for us, our hair is not working, so I'm here to teach you what to do on those days. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Also, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, thank you so much for sticking with me. Okay, so I am going to do this head wrap video with all this beautiful print here. Okay. Get straight into this video. So before we start, I got this print. I bought them from Makola market. Okay, so I know if you are a Ghanaian, you would realize that, you would know that Makola market is where we have all, like, it's the biggest market in Accra, Ghana, and it's where you can find pretty much anything and everything. Okay, you'll find anything and everything at Makola market. So that's where I got my print. As you can see, this is half a yard. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. one was your favorite? Okay, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get talking, let's get chit-chatting. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.